Alright, let's get real about insurance. We all pay for it, hoping we never have to use it. It's sold as a shield, a promise of security. But what if that promise is full of holes? The truth is, the insurance industry operates on a set of secrets they hope you never figure out. They have a playbook designed to protect their profits, not always to protect you. Today I'm handing you a copy of that playbook. I'm about to spill the secrets that will transform you from a paying customer into a savvy player who knows how to win the game. Here's the first secret. Insurers aren't in the business of losing money. They are massive, for-profit corporations with a primary duty to their shareholders. Their business model is simple: collect as much as possible in premiums from everyone, and pay out as little as possible in claims. They employ teams of experts to calculate every risk down to the decimal point, ensuring the house always wins. So when you file a claim, remember you're not asking a friend for help. You are initiating a financial negotiation with an entity that is financially motivated to give you the smallest amount it can legally get away with. Ever wonder why your policy is 100 pages of gibberish? It's not just you. The complexity is a feature, not a bug. The docs are full of jargon and carefully crafted phrases to create legal loopholes. For example, your policy might cover sudden and accidental water damage. Sounds good, right? But if a pipe has a slow leak that causes damage over weeks, they can deny your claim by arguing it wasn't sudden. These tiny details, these specific word choices, are the tripwires designed to make you stumble. They can cost you big time when you need to make a claim. This leads to a crucial tip. Always read the exclusions section first. This is where they hide what's not covered. Forget the marketing slogans about full coverage. The exclusions page is the legally binding truth of your policy. For home insurance, you'll likely find floods and earthquakes are excluded. For auto insurance, normal wear and tear or mechanical failure won't be covered. One missed line in this section, and your full coverage can completely fall apart, leaving you with a denied claim and a massive bill. This section tells you what your insurance is. Let's talk deductibles. It's the classic shell game. A high deductible equals a lower monthly payment, which feels like a win for your budget. But it's a trap for the unwary. A high deductible means you're accepting a bigger out-of-pocket risk. The deductible is the chunk of cash you must pay before your insurance kicks in at all. Before you choose a plan based on a low premium, ask yourself this one critical question. Can I comfortably write a check for the full deductible amount tomorrow without it wrecking my finances? If the answer is no, that cheap policy is a financial time bomb. Don't accept the first post-accident offer, ever. After a claim, an adjuster will contact you and make a settlement offer. It will seem quick, easy, and maybe even reasonable. It's not. It's a lowball offer, a test to see if you'll take the quick money and go away. They are counting on your stress and your desire to have it all be over. Don't fall for it. Politely reject the offer. Then, get your own independent estimates for repairs. Document every related expense. Present a written counteroffer backed by your proof. This is a negotiation. It's your right to be made whole, not just to accept their first move. Here's the biggest secret that feels wrong but is absolutely true. Loyalty doesn't pay. In fact, it often costs you. Insurers use a strategy called price optimization, which is a fancy term for a loyalty penalty. They know that long-term customers are less likely to shop around, so they slowly increase your premiums every year, betting you won't leave. Meanwhile, they offer the best, lowest rates to new customers to get them in the door. The solution is simple. Be disloyal. Set a calendar reminder 1 month before your policy renews and shop around every single year. It's the single easiest way to save hundreds. In any claim, the person with the best evidence wins. You must document everything. Think of yourself as a detective building a case. After an incident, take photos and videos from every conceivable angle, get wide shots, get close-ups, keep a communication log of every call and email with the insurer. Note the date, the person's name, and what was said. Better yet, use email to create a paper trail, and keep every single receipt for every single expense related to your claim. The more organized proof you have, the stronger your position. Your documentation is your leverage. Alright, now you know what most people don't. You have the playbook. This knowledge is your power. It shifts you from being a passive bill payer to an active, informed consumer who is in control. Be smart. Ask the tough questions before you buy. Read the exclusions. Negotiate your claims with confidence. Shop around without mercy. And document everything. This is how you make sure your insurance policy is a real shield, not just an expensive piece of paper. This is how you protect yourself. If this was eye-opening, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Knowledge is the best policy after all. See you next time.